Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful scene in Blender. You can also create fantastic landscapes in this way. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. So, let's get started. First of all, press Shift-A and add a landscape. You can go to Edit, Preferences, type Landscape and then enable it. Now if you go to Presets you can find bunch of landscape. And use any one you want. I think this one is great. Let's add a camera and put it wherever you want. Okay. As you can see, the background is too empty. So, let's add another landscape. Let's add on more for the other side. Yes. Cool. Now let's add a HDRI. You can go to polyhaven.com and download any HDRI for free. Then put the engine on cycles and device on GPU. Now just go to Render View. Okay. Let's add some material, but before that go to Shader Editor and select the world. Now press Ctrl-T to add mapping and texture coordinate. Now just play with location, rotation and scale to find your best sky on the scene. For add material you can use polyhaven.com or Blender Kit add-in. They are free and you can use any of them. I will use Blender Kit add-in. Just search what you want and download it on your landscape. When you download your texture, go to Edit Mode and press U, then select Unwrap. Great! Now go to Shader Editor and play with mapping to find your best result. Let's select another mountain. This time I want to make it a little icy. Don't forget to unwrap it. Cool! You can also change the strength for better result. Let's do the same for another landscape. This time you can change the snow transparency and color. This is great. Let's go for our water. Select it and go to Edit Mode and use E to extrude it. Then go to Shader Editor and add a principled volume. Connect the volume to volume, the disconnect surface. Now increase the density. And add a color. Now connect BSDF to surface. Put the transmission on 1. And reduce the roughness a little. Let's reduce the alpha a little too. Add a bump and connect it to the normal. Then add a noise texture and connect FAC to height. OK. Now just play with scale, detail and roughness to find your best result. Let's make our water a little dark. This is beautiful. Let's reduce our world strength a little. You can also go to color space and select your best type for HDRI color. Put the max sample on 500. Go to color management and put it on high contrast. Okay. Let's add fog. Add a cube and scale it up. Go to shader editor and delete principled BSDF. Add a principled volume. Now add a color ramp and a noise texture and connect them like this. Just play with color ramp. Also change the scale and detail to find your best result. I think this is so nice. Now just click on render image and wait. And this is our final. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next video, goodbye.